Hey everyone, it's Saruke, and today I will be doing my plan with me for May. So grab your bullet journal and sit down and do yours. Actually, I'm pretty late this time around, so you've probably already done yours, but still, join me, do some planning. There's always time for planning. So, as you can tell by my voice, I have a cold. I think you can tell anyway, I feel a bit congested still. So I'm not going to be talking too much in this video. I thought I could flip back to April, and show you what it looks like. I can't talk today either. I left my brain on the shelf and it does not fit in my head. But this is what I did for April, and I'm not sure, can I get it to show up? There is some sparkles on all these crystals. I started an internship and I just haven't had the time for this. I started, but I don't have the time. Most of it is filled out. This was the week I started, I think. No, the week before I started my internship. So it was pretty, I was just trying to like relax. More dailies, last set of dailies. So we're here today. As you can see, I was supposed to film this yesterday, but I didn't feel good enough for that. But here's May, and I'm going to make, usually I make a wreath. I've been doing wreaths all year, or since October last year, at least. And I will be doing something different today, because I redecorated my room, and feel very inspired to that. I bought some succulents, and some cute decor items, some geometric stuff that I filled with pretty rocks and things, so I'm gonna pull some inspiration from that. So I have this little terrarium thing here, and I haven't drawn on these pages yet, but I'm thinking I'm just gonna do some cute light bulb shaped terrariums because I bought one of those, and we'll see how it goes, basically. So this is what it turned out to look like. I don't think the shimmer shows up on the computer, on the screen, but there is a very nice subtle shimmer to all of it, and I really like it. I used some different tape this time because I'm kind of getting boring. I'm getting bored with the look I've been using now for the past at least 4 to 5 months. So I'm probably switching it up. I think that's partly why I didn't do a daily spread anyway, because I'm kind of thinking of changing those two, so I'm not really sure what I want to do with that. This is what the habit tracker and my art projects page looks like, and that's all. I did dare to put down some of these stickers. It hurts my heart, but I did it, and it looks nice. I'm not sure how I feel about this. Like, it's cute, but I think it's a little bit tall. I should have put it further down, and I think it would have looked nicer. Anyway, battery is running low, so thank you so much for watching. Please do, if you haven't, take a moment to subscribe so you can stick around for more videos like this and more artsy videos. Until next time, keep on scribbling, friends. Bye! No, 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 no. Go out. Out, out, out. You're ginormous. Honey, I don't want you in here. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. Okay, well, I'm going to just close this off while I... There is a giant wasp on my window. I don't know why, but they always fly in here. Let's see if I can show him to you. I'm just going to demount the camera so you can see him through there. See, right there. Ew, look how big and disgusting he is. Just, oh, ginormous. He's pretty though. Real pretty. Looks really nice, but I don't want to. And you still haven't left. Oh, please don't. Please don't. Please don't. I know you can find your way out. You don't need to come in further. I know you're having trouble focusing. I know you. Let's put you on there. No, no, stay out. Stay out. Yeah, I know, I'm rude. I'm very rude, but I don't want you in here, because if you come in, I'm gonna have to kill you. It's just the way it's gonna have to be, so please, leave. Leave! So I don't have to murder you. Do I have anything I can swipe at you with? I'm coming indoors. Ooh, you're angry. Come on. Oh, good boy.